बप्पा मोरिया मेरी छोटी सी दुनिया, कैसे हो आप लोग। कितने दिन बीत जाते हैं उसके बाद जाके मेरा ये वॉइस ओवर कंप्लीट होता है। वॉइस ओवर करने में ही मेरे को टाइम लग जाती है बिकॉज विद द न्यू बेबी न्यू लाइफ वॉइस ओवर इज़ अ स्ट्रगल। आप एडिटिंग तो वैसे भी कर लेते हो साइलेंटली, लेकिन वॉइस ओवर टाइम लेता है। एंड ओ माई गॉड, आई एम मिसिंग दिस पूल सो मच। आई वॉन्टेड टू स्विम, आई मिस्ड इट, सो मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम, फिंगर क्रॉस्ड। ये है काटा बीच जहाँ पे आई वॉज डूइंग दिस मॉडल वॉक। आई रियली लव दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो ऑफ माइन एंड आई कम बैक और यूज़ दिस रेगुलरली just to make myself feel yes, I need to come back again, need to reduce my weight. Coming back to the video, this was a particular couple which we, where we met in this particular 4-island trip, and we were very happy to meet this down to earth couple from UK. And you see, we were heading towards the 4-island trip. अगर आप आते हो यहाँ पे बैंकॉक, पटाया एंड फुकेत, आई वुड रिकमेंड आप पटाया मिस आउट करो। पटाया इज़ रियली नॉट वर्थ इट। आप फुकेत आ जाओ, फुकेत में क्रैबी और फीफी करो, उसके बाद जेम्स पॉन्ड। So we also had planned of going to Krabi and Fifi, but that got missed because of typhoon. So if you can see the violent waves, yes, it was really wavy that day because typhoon had hit Indonesia, cause it was month of September that we had gone to Bangkok, and even the sea was rough as well as the water. It was turquoise blue, but not that bluey which we see in definite reels that we generally see. So yeah, we were heading towards that cave. मैं वेट करूँगी, आप लोग मुझे बताइए मेरा ब्लॉग कैसा लगता है, हमें एज अ कपल कैसा लगता है। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, हम लोग एकदम आम कपल हैं, मैंगो कपल, बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट बहुत झगड़ते हैं। आफ्टर ऑल नॉर्मल कपल्स की साइन शायद ऐसा ही कुछ होता होगा, बट येस, वी कांट लिव विदाउट ईच अदर, दैट इज़ द बॉटम लाइन। बट ठीक है, अभी तक तो इतना ही है जर्नी। आप बताओ अब कुछ और देखना चाहते हो। ये ट्रैवल ब्लॉग के साथ ये है कि हम लोग एज अ कपल कैसे हैं। अगर आपका कोई Q&A है, कुछ भी है, आप ज़रूर से पूछो। एंड येस, ऑफ कोर्स, मैं कुछ व्लॉग्स द शॉर्ट्स में डाली थी दैट इफ़ यू आर ट्राइंग टू कंसीव आफ्टर द एज ऑफ 35, naturally, normally I will like to help you. And if you have any query or doubt, do let me know, because naturally conceived karna after the age of 35 for a woman, it is extremely difficult and hard. And even if you have to lose weight, like I was advised to lose weight, I couldn't really manage to because I'm a big time foodie और diet वगैरह मेरे से नहीं हो पाती है। So you can see the floating rocks, not really floating rocks, but it looked like one. एंड वो एलिफेंट वाला शेप था जो मैं आप लोगों को बोलना चाह रही थी, दैट एलिफेंट टाइप लुक्स था एक रॉक में। सो समवेयर इफ़ यू आर विजिटिंग दिस थाईलैंड वाला सॉरी एज इन फुकेत वाला ट्रिप ऑफ 4 आइलैंड, तो आपका जेम्स पॉन्ड के साथ ये एलिफेंट रॉक वाला visit भी रहेगा। So this is what I wanted to tell you. Do let me know if you want to see something more interesting. I am trying to think and share some informative reels with you guys very soon. Do like, share, subscribe, and let me know your views about my new passion which I have been holding on. But yes, when you start new, there's a lot to learn. So I am in the phase of learning. And see, interestingly, all the bats are hanging behind very stinky, smelly cave, and I literally wanted to run away from that particular adventure. But yes, something for the lifelong memory. And yes, we were then headed back to another island which I'll be sharing with you guys very soon. And
oh my god,
not that we have traveled internationally anymore at the recent past, but yes, when we do, we'll let you know. And here comes our boat, which you could just see, and the person who took us, his name was Bao. He was a very sweet boy who also made me a ring and gifted me. That was a gesture, he said. And yeah, we were trying to take few pictures, out of which was this Titanic pose. The sea was rough, which you could see very well in this particular shot. Yeah, so it is a memorable trip for me and my partner. We really miss all the time the vibe of the sea, sinking in that moment. The food, yeah, the food again is something which my husband can tell well, because I did not really enjoy. I don't like chicken with skin on it, so yeah, I was literally vegetarian there. I love my shots here. I really love the photos which came naturally. There was no makeup, but yes, I was holding on to my figure pretty well, even at the age of 30 something. I don't remember pretty good at the moment, but yeah, I miss everything around this particular trip. Let me know what you wish to see more, and I would love to create some more informative videos along with this trip. Lots of love and hug. Thank you. Bye bye.